Okay, now it's what is it? Look at the time. Hello, people. It's still on the 5th of June 2026. The flood, Gamka flood. Let's see what's the time now. The date is now. The time is now. That is the time. Alright, let me go and have a look at. Dit is die tyd daarin. Wie die klippe gooi hier. Oh, hulle het op maker geset. So it's still coming up. Slowly coming up and up and up. They reckon it's 193% full the dam, Gamka dam or something, about something like that. Omtrent 193% vol op die oomblik. En maar die water kom sal eers hier rondom 6 uur wees. Dan is het donker. 6 o'clock tonight, so then it's dark. So then we cannot see that. So let's go go down there again to where the metering houses were or are, waar die metering huisies is. Kyk ons gou daar wat daar aangaan. Alright. Now, so they packed stones here too. Rocks or whatever you want to call it. Klippe, rotse, wat ook al. Het hulle gepak hier. So let's zoom out a little bit. Okay. So the power box is still underwater there. Or the power struggle with you like that. Just suckle me. Okay. Me, come on. So like so. Right. Now if you look at that was the 2000 flood height. That was a 2000 vloedhoogte daar. And it's still 1.5 meter to go. Let's see the water coming down the land here now. And the houses were there with the metering houses. En the water is nou, die water gaan vloei nou al sy spoed daar af. Tremendous speed. En hier af van die pad af en there's a road down there. Also, where our pump was many years ago. Right, now we go to the bridge. The bridge is now that direction upstream. We go to the bridge there, the Gamka bridge. And we'll have a look at the bridge quickly. So now I'm going to reverse up the embankment there. Because I cannot turn around there, down there. So then I have to go up the steep embankment there and turn and go on. Right, off I go. Sun is in my eyes, setting there in the west. And that is the land down there, full of water now. Let me see how this situation is. Okay, when I come back, I'll check this. Then I can see better. Okay, so the water is still rising, still, ja, kom nog steeds op. Hallo, kom nog steeds op die water. Still coming up. Let's go over there. And now, leg. Sorry for that. Jammer vir dit.
Hy wil hom water. Hy wil hom water.
End up there, you might be quite drowned. Maar verdrink as jy daar ingaan. Okay. Daai kan coming out underneath the Gamka bridge. All the debris and the drums. And then we see the sea on the other side. Now I must go back. Nou moet ek terug gaan na die kar toe. Back to the auto. Back, daar terug na my auto daar agter. 5:45. 5:15. Let's see what's going on here now. I think it's moved back. Ek dink hy het begin terug beweeg. There are the stones and it's going back. So it peaked already. So 5:45 it peaked. So now it's going down. And it's almost there. Nou this river is wide here. Baie breed hierso die rivier. So van dis 2000 vloed daai wat ons daar het. Hoogte 2000 flat height. And here 2000 flat height. So that was right across the river to the mountain on the other side. Now that's a lot of water. So at the bridge it would have been right over the bridge, because this is now squashed into a smaller space there by the bridge. So 'n bietjie kleiner spasie ingedruk by die brug, dan sal hy oor die brug gaan. As hy daar kom, wanneer hy daar loop, dan gaan hy oor die brug. So hier is hy baie breed. It's very wide. Okay, that's a road to our pump down there. Back then, we're now putting a pump down here on the other side, if there is something left of it, of the bank. So nog van die terras van die wal, of wal wat ek al jy wil noem, nog oor is om die pomp op te sit. So, ons gaan gou terug daar na die ander pad toe. So the water came out of here. It was higher than the stone. It's now lower than a stone. So I think it's going down. It's definitely going down. It's no longer so high. So it's going down. Okay. And then let's go down the road there, the R62, laat ons daar die weg afry, die pad afry daar. Ons noem dit 'n pad, en in Nederland noem dit 'n weg. 'n Weg. So ons gaan met die weg af. Sonde. Reg. So ek was nou daar. I was there and I came reversed up this hill, and embankment, die val op. Tot by die weg over R62, and then I went down there and stopped down there, and now we're here. So look at the water there in the land, all in that land over there in the river, over there. And then 180 degrees, somebody stopped to have a look. Now the water is only a little piece of the land is still dry there. And the rest of this land is completely submerged, onder water. Tot by die Huisrivierbrug. So, en die huis is daar. Daar is die huis, en daar is die berg. Okay. Dan gaan ons maar weer voort met die video daarna, die recutting to the other bridge, because this river comes down here and that river comes down from that side, and they meet here in the center there. Hulle ontmoet mekaar daar. I think it's going back. Ek dink hy gaan terug nou. Ja. Waar's die merke? Right. There's a mark. There's the mark that the one guy made. So it's going back. The stone is out of the water now. Die klip is nou uit die water. So hy gaan sak. It's now going back. Done. It's going down, now off. Ja, okay. Then I'd say bye-bye from this video. Dan sê ek totiens van die video. Kan jy julle my hoor? From this video I say bye-bye. Yeah. Can't see there. Yeah, so say bye-bye from this video. Totiens van die video. Bly veilig, stay safe. Until the next video, until the volgende video, say bye bye. Okay.